I've been making music for a really, really long time, since the age of 2. And through the years, it's been so much fun. And God has blessed me with so many awesome opportunities. But you know what? I've also had a lot of people tell me that I wasn't good enough. And I took all the negativity and turned it into something really, really positive. So that's what you need to do. If you have any friends that tell you that you're not good enough or you'll never, ever, ever make it, don't listen to them. It's not their life, it's your life. And God's always there to give you the strength and help you when you fall. So if you have a certain passion that you love, if it's music or sports, anything, just go for it. You can do it. And it's going to pay off in the end. No matter how bad things seem or you don't understand why it's happening to you at that moment, you can do it. And it's just going to keep on getting better and better, and it will pay off in the end. I promise you. And God's always there to help you no matter what. If you ever need Him, all you have to do is ask.